In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and align text on your Squarespace website. Whether you're doing this for the first time or need a refresher, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be more than equipped to handle text modifications with confidence. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace dashboard. This is the hub of all your website activities, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't already. You'll need your login credentials ready, and make sure you're accessing through a supported web browser for the best experience. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll notice a list of websites, especially if you manage multiple ones. You'll want to find the specific website where you plan to edit the text. Just go ahead and click on that site. This action will direct you to the customization and management options for that particular website, allowing you to modify its content accordingly. Now, let's get to the meat of the task. Editing the text. Start by navigating to the Pages section. You can find this option on the menu. When you click on it, you'll see a list of all the pages that make up your website. Identify the page that contains the text you wish to change and click on it. Be mindful while selecting to ensure you're editing the correct page. After you've opened the right page, the next step is entering the edit mode. Look for the Edit button, usually located near the section where your text appears. Clicking this will transform the page into an editable format, giving you direct access to alter the content as you see fit. It's a handy feature that keeps things simple and accessible. Now, let's address the alignment of your text. Identify the text block you need to adjust. Click into that text block, making sure that the entire text you want to modify is highlighted. At this point, you'll see a formatting bar where the magic happens. Here, you have multiple alignment options: left align, center align, right align, and justify. Each one serves a specific purpose and gives your text a different visual appeal, so choose the one that best fits your design needs. Do a quick preview to ensure the text looks exactly as you envisioned. Finally, once you're happy with your alignment choices or any changes you've made, it's vital to save your work. Locate the Save button at the top left of your screen. A single click secures all your edits, preventing any loss of progress. And there you have it, a straightforward process to edit and align text on Squarespace. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to return to this video anytime you need a quick refresher. Happy editing!